Hello, welcome to VÖLKEL. Did you know that you can also buy cutting oil and paste from us for thread machining? These are very important for a perfect cutting result. For manual and machine use in the workshop, we recommend using our cutting oil N3S. It is particularly suitable for alloyed and unalloyed steels and cast iron. As a universally applicable non-liquid paste, we have our cutting paste V4G in our range. This can be applied to the cutting tool with pinpoint accuracy. The problem with low viscosity oils is that they run when the tool is in a horizontal position or when working overhead and can then no longer work where they should. Not so when using our cutting paste. It stays where it's supposed to be. Excellent for to-go. Our cutting gel V4S in a practical tube. The cutting gel can be dispensed quickly and easily straight from the tube without any other equipment. It is perfect for traveling and fits into even the smallest toolboxes. If you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe us. See you next time.